It's finally time to relax my hair after stretching for 8 months. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice, and to my returning subscribers, you already know you're the best. So guys, I already shared that I was going to be trying a new relaxer for this relaxer day. So I already posted the prep video how I prepped my hair before relaxer day. And so this is the relaxer I'll be using, Lush relaxer, and it's actually a regular strength. It also comes with shampoo and deep conditioner. I think one thing that excited me about using it is the fact that it has a deep conditioner. And so I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. I saw a lot of good reviews, how it relaxed people hair very well without any setback. So let's give it a try and see how it's going to go for my own hair, if we're going to experience any setback whatsoever. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we won't be having any setback. So let us dive into the video. This is how I arrange my hand, because it's a relaxer. You don't want the chemical to do anything to your nails and all, because I've been there. There are times where then I don't used to wear hand gloves, and it used to change the color of my nails to yellow. So it's always advisable to use an hand glove when you are gonna relax your hair. So this is a safety measure to make sure um to avoid any burns around my edges, my neck, my hair. So I use my hair butter to protect around my skin, basically, so that any relaxer overlap will not cause any burn to my skin. So guys, if you gotten to this part and you're still yet to give the video a big thumbs up, please do well to like the video, subscribe if you're yet to, and also share to your loved ones that might be interested in content like this, because there are a lot of hairstylists at the salon that don't really know about caring for the hair, and they relax our hair the wrong way. So this video is a very detailed video that you really need to share for others to see. So this is me. I already started applying the relaxer, but before application I already set my time. So this particular relaxer, they didn't specify the time. They just said that once you apply and you're done applying, and you start experiencing any burns or whatsoever, you should wash it. So but me, usually I use mega growth. So mega growth for coarse hair, the timing is usually, I think, 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, I think so. So but for me, I set my timing for 30 minutes for the beginning of the application. And yeah, you can see very detailed. I focused on only my new growth, only the new growth, and I also made sure that the initial application does not get to my scalp. In fact, it did not even get to my scalp, because the rate at which my growth is much, and the fact that I have a coarse hair very thick, the relaxer did not even get to my scalp at all. Like during the initial application, I didn't it didn't even feel like I was applying a relaxer, because everything felt so cool. And I really enjoyed this process. So honestly speaking, like, it was just going smoothly. Like, it was as if I'm not applying relaxer enough to the hair, because I was not feeling anything. Anyways, I started from the back side, because that side is very, like, the back is usually thicker and it takes more time to process than the front hair. So after the back, I came back to the front. And if you noticed, I also did not apply at the back area. That's my neck, the back. I had to wait until I finished the application for both the front as well before I apply to that first line at the back, because that side received a lot of water, a lot. Like whenever I'm bathing the neck, there's no way that side, even though I protect it with my cap, I still get like water still touch the hair at that area. So I had to make sure I skip that part until when it was time to also apply the relaxer all over my edges. That's the front part. So you should take note of that because I used to get a lot of burn at the back, like the neck then, because I used to start from the back directly, not the middle of my hair. I hope you understand what I'm saying, Sha. So basically, and this really helped me. It really helped me. Plus, I also relax my hair. If I'm not going to relax it in the morning, then in the evening when the sun is already cool, like the sun has gone down, before I can relax it. So because too much heat can also really trigger the bonds of the relaxer. Right. So I do it when the weather is cool. But this particular time, I did it in the morning, and I also did it before I bathed because I don't want any water to touch my hair. So I did it in the morning before I had my bath. And so this is me, yo. After all the application, time to smoothing the stuff because yo, the hair stick is thick, and I did not use comb. You might want to use comb because sometimes it's good, it helps. But me, I'm always scared because with the way my scalp is sensitive and for the fact that I'm stretching for long, I was scared. But I think the comb would have actually helped it because the stretch is really long stretch. I think I should have combed it. But anyways, this also goes. So I that's why I made sure that I smoothen it very well. Very, very well if you can see from the video. So yes, so this is BU. Look at the new growth. Like the growth is massive. Is massive. And I'm sure you cannot wait to see the result of this. I honestly felt like stretching for additional months. Like I didn't want to like relax it on that 8th month, but I was just I was just in haste to try out this relaxer. So by the end of the video, you're going to know if the relaxer disappoints me or not. Okay? Another reminder, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. And if you're yet to give the video a big thumbs up, please do well to give it a big thumbs up. At least by now, you should have learned something new. For those that, you really don't have that much information about relaxer. So remember I said I set my timer 30 minutes. So the application process was really, really fast because I finished. Surprising to me because I was scared that this stretch is really much. I was scared if I'll be able to even do it on my own. The last time I stretched for long, I stretched for 7 months. I didn't relax it alone. Like my um big sis actually helped me do the back area while I did the front. But this time that I did it alone, I was really, really scared because have you ever have you ever like prayed before you start your relaxer? Like before on your relaxer day you prayed. You pray to God that God, I want this to go smoothly. I don't want to have any setback. I don't want to have any bonds because relaxer bond has showed me shaggy banza. Like when I used to then that I had no idea. I used to go to salon. Oh my god. I don't see shaggy when it comes to relaxer bond. I don't see shaggy. I still have the scars on my scalp. So after proper smoothing, you start going close to the root to make sure that that part also gets the relaxer as well because there's no how you're going to apply a relaxer that it won't get to your scalp. It will definitely touch your scalp. That is the reason why you have to follow the timing. Okay, that's the reason why you have it's very important to follow the instructions, the timing, so that you don't get relaxer burn and then it start affecting your health. So please, these people they already because they know these things are things that have been tested and they've already seen that you know what this has to be washed off immediately after a certain period of time. Don't add extra time. Don't whether the hair process or you no process. Your health is important, so it is important that you rinse it off after immediately it's time to wash it off. Okay, so this is me, you. I just did it to my thing. I was enjoying myself like after how many minutes, and I still wasn't experiencing any burns. Like, if it was mega growth, you guys, I use mega growth the regular strength though, and when it's almost close to the time, I start feeling hotness. Like I start feeling this hotness. But although I've learned some certain things that has helped me reduce that. Things like prepping my hair a day before the relaxer day, and making sure that 2 weeks or a week before my relaxer day, I don't do too much on my hair. Like I allow my hair to rest, and especially my scalp. No scratching, nothing, nothing. Because if you scratch, then you want to dance a willow locumba on your relaxer day. Okay, so these things has actually helped me to reduce that scalp burn. Now I can still wait even when I'm using my mega growth relaxer. Okay, but you see this particular one, I'm just surprised because it's my first time of using the relaxer, and everything was just cool. It was just smooth. I You guys, I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. Although there's a bot that you're going to get to know by the end of the video. But I really love this product. I love it. Like the fact that my scalp was just flexing. It was flexing. It was as if I was just doing a protein treatment. Like, this is not relaxer. This is not the relaxer I'm applying on my hair. This is like a protein treatment because there was no burn. I did not experience any burns at all. And I'm not joking. I'm not joking. There was no burns. And yeah, so it was time to start applying the relaxer all over my edges. You can see, taking my time to apply it and smoothing it as well. Another reminder, if you're yet to like the video, please do well to like it, share to your loved ones, because this is an important video when people got see, because there are still some people that still relax their hair in the wrong way. There are still some salons that still relax people's hair in the wrong way. So Biko, send, share this video. You can see the back I'm talking about. This side, there's no way you go bath where water no go touch this side, even though you cover them. So I left this part for the final distance after applying the relaxer at the front of my edges. So this is also back edges. Okay. Very important to avoid burns at that neck area. So don't forget to, because if you forget, you get detangling in your bathroom when you are washing off your relaxer. So it is important. Remember to unravel your twist. Remember to do what? Unravel your twist. Don't no say I not tell you. So this is me, yo. The hair is already relaxing, as you can see, but it's looking like the relaxer is not even enough. Like, but trust me, the relaxer is enough. I bought 4 of the sachet, but I ended up using 3 of it, and I still had a little time, and I decided to do more smoothing before I go and wash it off. It's time to wash the hair, and from the excitement on my face you can tell the relaxer is really good. So I did my protein treatment, and this is the first time I'm using this type of protein treatment. My usual protein treatment is the egg and mayonnaise protein treatment, so I'll be giving a review on this after I've used it for a while. Okay, so you also need to take note, when I use the shampoo to wash my hair, it also has this pink lathering that you have to wash until it turns white for you to know that the relaxer has been properly washed off. So yeah, and from the look of my hair you can see the texture that is there. So this is like it's like this relaxer just texturized my hair, because I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the look of this relax. Like, did this thing relax my hair at all? Because I have a very thick hair, and this is not what I want. I don't want something that will leave in too much texture. And yeah, I mean, but anyways, it is actually good. It's not like it's a bad thing, no. It's a good thing. Like, you can still see the coils. More like the thing just losing the coils for me. Cause you guys look now. Anyways, after I did my protein treatment, I left it on for some minutes, and then I used my deep conditioner, and then I went to my air drying process. I wanted to blow dry, but there was no light, so I had to air dry. I used my Cantu leave-in conditioner, my oil, and my hair butter. You guys can see that. You can see the coils, right? Look at the hair, I just relaxed. Yo. Anyways, will I be using this relaxer again? Is it a yes or you know? For me it is a big yes. Okay, I mean, I usually get this type of look when I stretch for a longer period. Even when I use my mega growth, it gives me this much texture like this, like under processed hair. But yeah, I still use it that way anyway. So will I be trying this relaxer again? It's definitely yes, I still will try it again. So this is the look, like about 70 or 80% air dried. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.